Hello folks, today we're doing a building inspection, and what I wanted to share with you is something that just kind of crazy. But look here, I got, we have like a 2x10s here, floor joists, and for some reason we got an extra expanse. So I guess when they built it, they figured they didn't. For some reason, they just didn't put enough in here. But look here, they put in 2x6s. But look at these 2x6s. They're being held inadequately by these lateral braces. And look right here, I mean, this is just, look at that, it's pin nailed. Look at that little tiny nail holding it. I don't think that's holding the load. Look over here, we're going to continue, but it's all over here. And some of them just, come on, lie down here with me. You're going to love this because it just gets crazier, crazier. Look here, it's not even terminated, just dead end, it's like floating in the air. But it just even gets more bizarre as I continue with this. But look here, we come down through here, and look at this one. It is literally tipping over. So this is what we're looking for right here when we're doing inspection. Thank you for watching our videos. If you like what you see, hit like and subscribe. We'd love to share it with you. Thank you folks. Have a great day.